that once could speak in the quiet night. You can hear a lonely shriek. Their flesh isn't made of straw. Their suits are stained with rust. Most of them are lying on the floor. Their gold medals have gathered dust. All these scarecrows once could speak in the quiet night. You can hear a lonely shriek. The barley grows from barley fruits. There's a nest in